Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 co-sponsored by Amul के इस असली दंगल में अब वक्त है महिलाओं की 48 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती का। देवियों सज्जनों, और अब दिल्ली सुल्तान की ओर से आ रही हैं अज़रबैजान मूल की मारिया स्टैडनिक। Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 co-sponsored by Amul के इस असली दंगल में अब आ रहे हैं जयपुर निंजास की ओर से भारतीय मूल की ऋतु फोगाट।
First time in Pro Wrestling League Season 2, we're going to see Ritu Phogat in action. Her opponent, Maria Stadnik, for the Delhi Sultans, the 28-year-old from Azerbaijan in the women's 48 kg category. A very, very tough opponent. Silver at the 2012 and 16 Olympics for her. Ritu Phogat for the Jaipur Ninjas was blocked, remember, in her first outing for her team. That was a couple of days ago. Edith D'Souza is the referee of this contest. So Ritu Phogat, who won a silver at the Junior World Wrestling Championships in Croatia in 2014, a very promising talent going up against a much more seasoned campaigner. But Phogat, the moment you take that surname, Ajay, there are memories of the exploits of Geeta and Babita, and of course that super hit movie that was on their based on their life story, Dangal.
Yeah, absolutely, Raman. And yes, she comes from the same family. She's got a legacy behind her. And well, this is going to be some experience for her. Playing against Maria, who's done very well at the international level. You just mentioned getting a silver in Olympics in 2012 and 16, both in London and Rio. And Jaipur have started off pretty well. But I think, you know, she's got to be aggressive. She's done well. She's got the talent behind her.
In the meantime, quick point taken by Maria Stadnik. She managed to push Ritu Phogat out of the safety zone, so managed to pick up that 1 point. Stadnik, remember, has got a lot of experience. Olympic silver medalist at London, Olympic silver at Rio, and once again, Ritu Phogat is pushed out, and Geeta Phogat isn't too happy why the point has been awarded to Maria.
Yeah, absolutely. That expression tells the story, isn't it? She wasn't very happy at all, but the point has been awarded to Stadnik. And she started off well. That's exactly what Elizabeth did as far as Jaipur Ninjas were concerned, taking 2 points in the very first round and trying her best to see how she is trying to maneuver.
Maria Stadnik, remember, is a veteran of 3 Olympics. So Ritu Phogat has a task cut out because Maria, remember, had a bronze at Beijing, a silver at London and a silver at Rio as well. Oh, look at that. Goes for a single leg hold as Ritu Phogat. Can she convert it into points? Maria Stadnik defending well, defending hard.
Absolutely showing her power. She is not budging at the moment. Ritu Phogat almost getting that hold, but not getting any points so far. She's got to take that proper grip and come behind. But at the moment, well, I think might be just coming back to the neutral position. Yes, they are. Remember, Ritu Phogat, Raman, she was blocked in the first time. This is the first time we are seeing her this season.
Yes, she was a part of the Mumbai team last year in PWL Season 1. Now, problems here for Ritu Phogat. Yes, 2 points being taken by Maria Stadnik. She's managed to get behind her opponent now, and now looking to flip Ritu over. This could be dangerous.
Absolutely, she started with a bang. We saw the defense. Now flipping over. She is totally in control at the moment.
But the referee's whistle had already gone before that flip over happened, which is why no points were awarded.
Very rightly said, and that's the reason no signal from the referee at all, but still 4 points for Stadnik. She started off in good fashion in this first round, and that's exactly what any grappler wants. That confidence always encourages you.
Over 2 minutes gone in the opening round. Stadnik has called the shots so far. A takedown as well and a couple of push-outs that have resulted in a solitary point each. Now she goes for that single leg hold, trying to push Ritu Phogat. Phogat looking to go towards the outer side. No, she goes down. Is there going to be a takedown? They're looking for points. Yes, 2 points given. Just before she goes outside the safety zone, Geeta Phogat's not looking happy at all. The elder sister looking a little distraught now.
Earlier match we saw Sakshi very tense, and now it's Geeta. So it's all happening. Yes, it does matter when you're watching from outside. At times you are just sensing what best you could do if you were there playing that bout. Now going for the single leg tackle, not getting that grip. She's trying her best here, Ritu Phogat. And not much time left, but this is a very healthy lead for Stadnik.
Stadnik, remember, also had a silver at the World Championships in 2015. So really a very seasoned campaigner who's, well, matched the best in the world. And therefore, it's not an easy task for Ritu Phogat here. End of the first round, 3 minutes gone. And this round is clearly belonged to Maria Stadnik. 6-0 in her favor.
Yes, round one gone. Maria doing a very good job. Geeta Phogat not looking very happy. Maria, she's got the lead, leading 6-0. End of round one.
Great opportunity here to see Sakshi Malik in action for the first time since the Rio Olympics. She's looking a little happy, but Geeta Phogat looking worried because her younger sister, Ritu Phogat, is trailing in this bout against Maria Stadnik. Overall, the tie score is 1-0 in favor of the Jaipur Ninjas. But in this bout, Jaipur Ninjas' Ritu Phogat is yet to score a point against the Delhi team's Maria Stadnik.
Yeah, you know, earlier as well, we saw Geeta was very unhappy. She was distraught. Should be a couple of points here. Rolling over. She is in command. Couple of points more. The lead swelling for Delhi Sultans.
Oh, this could turn out to be over very quickly. Could be on a technical superiority. Yes, the score on the sheet is showing 16-0. Ritu Phogat looking a little injured as well on the knee. But this is all over. 16 points to Maria Stadnik against Ritu Phogat, and she wins this bout on technical superiority. And how much time did that take? Under 3.5 minutes.
And remember, Delhi have leveled now. This tie is 1-1, and that's exactly what Maria wanted and her team wanted. That's a very commendable performance. 16-0. Maria Stadnik winning this bout against Ritu Phogat, winning by technical superiority. And what a bout she's played, always dominating, always in command. Started with a bang, this takedown, never easy, then flipping her opponent over.
This was the one move that resulted in 8 points for her, because look at it. She actually got around Ritu Phogat, kept her within the safety zone, and then flipped her over 3 times after taking her down. That overall resulted in those 8 points, and anyway, she was leading 8-0 by...
असली दंगल।